the number one mistake when it comes to saving money that Filipinos still do is number one, they set unclear goals. Tama. Most of Filipinos, pag nag-set sila ng goals, most of them is unclear or unsure. And that's one of the reason kung bakit sila nagpe-fail. If hindi ka sure sa mga goals mo, madaling misalign and mawala ng direction. So instead of writing your goals like this, it should be like this. So ano nga ba dapat gawin para mabago ito? You should set specific and measurable goals. So instead of writing your goals like this, it should be like this. Instead of just saying, I want to save money, you need to be more specific about it. Parang ganito, I want to save 50,000 pesos in just 6 months. That's how you can be specific. And here's another tip. You can automate your savings. Mag-set ka ng automatic transfer sa yung checking account papunta sa yung savings account. Sa parang ito, hindi mo makalimutan na mag-save ng money and that money will just pile up na hindi mo namamalayan. You should start today. So lagi mo